That's why like fasting is so radical, because it is the first need, like water and food, that we are threatened with usually, that we are like unconsciously, that, you know, life depends on that. So when we stop eating and drinking, there's this affirmation that, and if I could overcome this, then what else? Yeah, it's basically losing fear of death in a way when you think about it, because the bodily survive, like it's basically an affirmation that there is continuity of consciousness, of spirit, and that a human being does not live by bread alone, that my subsistence, my survival is not just material. And so it's kind of a coming back, a return to a state of remembrance, to a state of dhikr, like we remember, tadhakkur, that we remember who we are, and so that we don't run after crumbs. Because we all have, you know, in life gets like, it pulls us, because that's the nature of like this external phenomena.